Well, 2025 is nearly through. We've ticked off a challenge or maybe a few.
Now the new year's is calling, fresh jobs to start, bring on the projects, we're ready to play our part.
Diggers and dumpers and chippers that chew, whatever the mission, we've got gear for you.
From rolling a driveway to lifting up high, if there's dirt to be moved, give Pronto a try.
Our gear's modern, our service is quick, so no waiting around, just choose and pick.
Big jobs, small jobs, we're always on call. With transport sorted, we cover it all.
So here's to the crews who get the work done, to busy sites, challenges and a bit of good fun.
2026, let's make it great, with plenty of projects to fill your plate.
So sharpen those plans and line up the gear. We'll help make your vision shine bright this year.
Dial 0800 Pronto, we're here for all, no matter what, we'll answer your call.